Toyota BZ compact SUV concept revealed in the US. Toyota BEV concept shows off clean vital design approach coupled with eco-conscious interior materials. The Toyota BZ compact SUV concept touched down in Los Angeles, making its world premiere to kick off the exciting opening of the 2022 Los Angeles Auto Show at the LA Convention Center. Already a leader in electrification, the company gave a glimpse of what the future could be with the Toyota BZ compact SUV, extending the vision under the Toyota BZ brand umbrella. The Toyota BZ compact SUV concept is designed as a full battery electric vehicle, using a clean vital design approach. This approach aims to express what's special about battery electric vehicles while also offering fun to drive, exhilarating performance. It represents a vehicle with zero emissions, utilizing eco-conscious interior materials, that also brings dynamic performance, leading technology and a stylish appearance. The edgy styling extends to the interior with premium finishes resulting in a distinctive look. Notably, the design team included several eco-friendly touches, like seating made from plant-based and recycled materials to follow the Beyond Zero theme. And an in-car personal agent named Yui connects the driver and passengers with the vehicle. With the use of audio and visual lighting cues that move around the cabin, it responds to requests or commands from front or rear passengers. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.